What up, y'all? How's everything going? As you can see, I took the engine off the engine stand, and tonight, I'm gonna show you guys how to change the rear main seal on a JZ. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. I put the engine on a wheel dolly. Yeah. Now I can move the engine around without using the hoist. So, yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, this is all you need for this job. Brake cleaner, 2 flathead screwdrivers, 1 large, 1 small, a new rear main seal, well that's the old one, but you need a new one. A small torque wrench, 10mm socket, a blade, a screw, yes that's a screw, and a Phillips head screwdriver for the screw, a nail hammer, because you need this. If you're smart enough, you already know how we're going to do it. 2 picks, multi-purpose grease, black Toyota sealant, and a rubber mallet. First of all, let's get your straight pick, hammer it into the seal. Yes, I said what I said, just do it. Now, don't hammer it too deep, we just want to create a hole for the screw. Now screw it in, again not too deep, we just want the screw to bite into it. Going in deeper wouldn't make a difference. Now use your nail hammer to pull the screw out along with the seal. And we're done. Easy. Now, the reason we hammer the pick into the seal instead of drilling the hole is with the pick, essentially we are tearing the metal apart instead of shaving the metal down with a drill bit. And obviously, that way we do not create any metal shaving and nothing will drop into the oil pan. The more you know. If you just want to change the seal, you can grab a new one, lubricate both inner and outer ring, and hammer it in. But I'm doing a little more than that, just in case you don't feel comfortable hammering the pick into the seal. So we are taking off the retainer. There are 6 10mm bolts, zap them all out. There's a little tab on each side where you can pry the retainer off. So just grab 2 flatheads and off it comes. There are 2 lines of groove on the lower sealing surface. Well, technically there are 3 lines, but whatever. Make sure to clean those up as well as you can and use a blade for the flat surface and try not to drop the silicone into the oil pan. It won't kill the engine, but they might clog up the pickup tube. There's a long groove on the retainer as well. Make sure to clean that up and the bottom of the retainer. Now this is very crucial. You know, you gotta take your time with the foreplay, get it well lubed up before you hammer it in from the back. That's what we gotta do. So after we're done with the foreplay, throw the seal face down on the towel. Gently press the retainer on top of it. Slap it with your hand. But obviously it's gonna take some time to make it go in completely. So flip it over and bust out your favorite hammer. Place a piece of towel on it and gently tap the seal in. Or, if you're a savage like me, forget about towel, we can do it raw, baby. Just one thing, make sure the seal is flush against the edge, don't push it in too far, and you don't want to hammer against the sealing surface, and that's why you don't hammer it from the back. Now, carefully lay the silicone into the groove. By the way, I'm playing this 8 times faster than the actual speed. I'm not this fast in real life. Right here, due to the weird angle and the size of the nozzle being too big, I couldn't lay the bead directly into the groove. That's why you'll see me using a pick adjust the silicone to make sure the groove is filled. And now I'm doing the secondary groove on each side. Again, I'm going to use the pick to make sure that the grooves are filled with silicone. Grab a retainer and lube up the inside of the seal. Again, take your time, make sure it's well lubricated because I'm sure you'd want it to last long. I'm talking about the seal. Carefully put the retainer on, try to do it with your first try because ain't nobody wants to get the silicone everywhere. And make sure the inside of the seal isn't pinched against the crank and hand tighten all the bolts first. After that, torque them down to 52 inch-pounds. And do 2 more passes just to make sure everything's tight. Clean that thing up for one last time and voila! we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.